Imagine a world of possibilities through the opportunity of free skills-based training coupled with job placement assistance, all tuition-free regardless of who you may be. New Century Careers has such a program that can help people learn new skills, enter the advanced manufacturing industry, and have a personal and professional career pathway. Through our tuition-free Manufacturing 2000 program, we introduce individuals from a variety of backgrounds and demographics to skills that transform their lives. While learning, they can earn industry-recognized credentials that meet the needs of the employers needing these valuable people. Once placed with employers, we can further assist them and their employers by enrolling them into high-quality, formal registered apprenticeship pathways for machinists. This not only improves the safety and performance of the apprentice, but helps companies achieve a competitive advantage in creating solutions for global supply chain needs in industries as diverse as medical, aerospace, defense, consumer goods, transportation, and more. With this support, NCC can continue to offer this pathway from pre-apprenticeship to apprenticeship, assist people in reaching their fullest potential, and help companies grow and advance their solutions to customers around the globe. At New Century Careers, we are offering life-changing and inclusive training opportunities while helping employers find and develop technicians seeking purpose, passion, and success in the workplace.